Hello! For your delight and delectation today, I am going to clean up and put back together again this Meddings pillar drill. It got taken apart because I went to go and buy it, and when I went to pick it up, I tried to lift it and realised it bolted to the bench and I couldn't move it, so I unbolted it from the bench, still couldn't move it. This thing together weighs about 20 stone. Let me just show you. Here is the pillar for the pillar drill. Oh, crikey. Let me just put that in down there. That is 2 3/4 inches of solid steel bar, which was no fun to move. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean the rust off this. Just run around there with a bit of wire wool, run around the collar there with a bit of wire wool, clean that up and reassemble it. And then I probably need some help to stand it up, because that is one heavy bugger. Now this is a Meddings MB2. It's made because I emailed Meddings and asked them in June 1963, and I have to say these things are fantastically solidly built. But let me just crack on with giving it a quick clean up with the old angle grinder. Well, not the angle, with a wire brush on the angle grinder. I was not going to take a grinder blade to it. That would be sacrilege. Albeit it would take a fair while to grind through that. And just stick on that, stop myself getting covered in dirt. Mustn't forget the safety specs, and it's about to get noisy in here. That scrubs up very nicely, that does. Just look at how nice and clean that is now. Crikey, that is one chunky lump of metal. Let me just turn that around and do the other end. Slide that out of the way. Right, I'm going to coat this in oil in a minute. Before I do that, I'm just going to rub over this and that. Tell you what, that comes up really nicely, that does. I'll give it all a quick coat of oil before I'm done, but let's now do this table here. Going to give that a clean and then I'll do its sides when it's in situ. That does clean up very nicely, very quickly there. Right then, so let's just clean up where that goes through. I'll put that wire wall. And we'll put it back together with dusting of oil. Nice and smooth. The dirt off that paint. Just look how heavyweight that casting is. That is a proper job, that is. Right. Now what I want is a little block of wood I can just put there so that when I put this on it doesn't go down too far. And there it is, back together. Now, it took a Herculean effort. Firstly, I had to take the base off to be able to slide that in there because that doesn't go on. It made it very hard to get the angle right to get that through. And the other thing is I had to stand this on some blocks so I could put the. I'll show this in a later video. So I could get the clamp through that holds the head up. This whole thing weighs 20 stone. It actually weighs considerably more than my Myford lathe, and it weighs almost as much as my Atlas 10. This is a monster heavy duty machine, but doesn't that sound great? That is, I've got to put the belt guard on it, which is this thing here. Just chuck that up on the top. There we go. That's pretty much it. And pop the screwy thing on the top. And down it goes. I suppose the thing to do would be to dig a drill out and drill a hole in something. Let me find a suitable drill. Probably something that's been a bit roughed up, I think. That'll do. Not going to be nice to the drill. And just look at how perfectly that spins. I will do a comparison. I'll stick that other one next to it, and you can see how much better a machine this is. I mean, it has to be said, I dread to think what that machine cost new. Let me see if I can find a suitable lump. Actually, I know what's a suitable lump. That'll do. There's the safety specs. And we'll just try poking a hole in the other side. No, just doesn't care. Laughs at your big heavy bits of structural steel. And then just look at the hole in that. It's just crikey, that is oh, that is a nice drill press, that really is. That just stormed through that like it wasn't there. And that was just a drill I picked out because it was the roughest drill that came with the drill press. So there you go. That drill press is, let me think, 63. So it's 57 years old. And it's as solid as you like. So the lesson is firstly, if you're going to buy a drill press, buy Meddings. Second hand, brand new, doesn't matter. This is definitely the kiddie. It just went through that like it didn't care. Buy Meddings, and after you bought Meddings, you will then need some serious muscle power to move the thing about, because it's no joke. I tell you what, that thing is remarkably heavy. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and share, that really helps, and subscribe, that would be good as well. There will be, as well as stuff on engines, bit of stuff on woodwork, there will be a fair bit of lathe work, and you will be seeing a bit more of that. Thank you very much for watching again. Bye.